Here in this video, I'll show you how you can get a 1k free prop firm account, and I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions you need to be able to meet to draw from this particular prop firm. As you can see, I've dropped the message on my Telegram and my people will be able to get it very soon as possible. And I'm going to tell you this, that this particular prop firm is going to end in the next 1 day and some hours, so you might want to be fast to get this particular prop firm. And this is one of the reasons why I usually tell you to ensure you are in my Telegram channel, because I drop these updates first in my Telegram channel before coming to YouTube. So to be a part of this community, just use the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. You'll be able to be a part of my Telegram community. Alright, so let's just dive straight into how you can get this particular funded account. But before I proceed, please take a few seconds of your time to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep getting notifications anytime I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. And also don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can push it to more people and more people can be able to get this particular opportunity as soon as possible. So if you have done that, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So let's just dive right into how you can get this particular prop firm. So to get it, the first thing you have to do is to check the link in the description or the pinned comment section. It is going to direct you to my Telegram channel, and that is where you find the link. The next post after this particular one is going to contain the link to get this particular bonus. So once you click on the link you find in my Telegram channel, it is going to direct you to their platform, and this right here is what their platform looks like. All right, so you just have to register an account with them and do all the necessary things you need to do. So after registering an account, then you can proceed to logging into the platform. All right, so you just click on login and you can log into the platform. So after logging in, it's going to direct you to their platform, to their homepage right here. And before you can be able to claim this particular account, you need to verify your profile. All right, you need to verify your profile. As you can see right here, mine has been verified successfully, showing right here on the screen. It has been verified successfully, so you need to verify your profile as well. Before I show you, let me quickly explain what the terms and condition is. The terms and condition is simple. All you just have to do is to ensure you don't hit this maximum loss right here. As you can see, maximum loss is 20%, so you'll be given a $1,000 free funded account to trade with, and out of the $1,000 you must not hit this 20% stop loss. You must not meet the maximum loss. And if you are part of the people that have the most equity after this competition ends, you'll be credited with your money. I will show you the number of people that can be able to withdraw from this particular account. As you can see right here, the first place is going to get a $2,000, and the second is going to get 1,500, and while third we get 1,200. Now that is not all. As you can see, they are paying the top 100. All right, as you can see, and this is why I believe some of you guys are going to be able to withdraw from these. All right, some of you, most of you are going to be able to withdraw, because I know what you guys are capable of and I believe in you guys. So as you can see, top 100 is going to be able to withdraw. As you can see right here, the 100 person is going to be getting $100, and that is not a small money as well. So you can just see right here, this is what you guys are going to be getting if you are part of these people. All right, so as you can see, it is going to end very soon in the next 1 day, so ensure you do this as soon as you are seeing this particular video. So all you just have to do to get the account is just to click on more right here, click on more, and then you click on competitions. After clicking on competitions, you scroll down, this is it right here, you click on it, and then you click on start competing. Sorry, I made a mistake. So once you click on more right here, if you click on more and then you click on the competitions showing right here, you wait for it to load, and after loading, instead of clicking on this is the one that is currently live, this is currently in progress, just click on this upcoming showing right here. Click on this upcoming, and after clicking on upcoming, you see different ones. You see this 1,000, this 5,000 daily arena, you see this 10,000 crypto arena, and then you see this right here, you see this is what we are looking for. As you can see, there are currently 837 participants, and this is going to start in the next 4 days. So you have the next 4 days to get this particular account. So after clicking on it, you can see it's the same thing, it's the same rule. So just click on start computing right here, and then you click on you agree and click on join now. So you'll be able to access the accounts, and you just have to go through the terms and condition right here. As you can see, this is the terms and condition. All you just have to do is to click on the terms and condition showing right here. Click on this terms and condition, and you'll be able to read the competitions terms and condition. All right, and then you know what you have to do and what you don't have to do. All right, and this is majorly for new users only, new accounts users only. So if you have an account with them already, I don't think you'll be able to get this. All right, so ensure you create a new account and it is verified. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.